All right, guys, Kerry Clark here. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Outdoor Madness. Okay, 2024 Mule Pro FX 1000. This is the heavy duty edition. So we're going to put this thing to work today. Right now it's about 85 degrees and you can see I've got my pole saw back here right now. Some of the trails that I like to ride on in our area have overgrown. We've got these big old growth oak trees, and when you're going on the trails, the branches are hanging over. So I figure, you know what, it's a good time to put this thing to work. So we're going to take it out in the back. We're going to take it on some pretty crazy trails back there also, and do some work. All right, let's head out before it gets too hot. It's supposed to reach triple digits today. So this right here, you guys, is part of the trail that I normally ride on. And that's why I wanted to come out. See how we have these old growth oak trees? And these things have been around here for years. But I like to come through here and cruise down this way. We come over here, you can see how steep that is. But every mule I've done so far has done really good. But what I want to do is I want to cut some of these branches down so when we come through here it doesn't drag so much. I think that would be nice. All right, let's get to work. give us a little more room. I still want to cut this one off, of course, because this is where I usually enter the trail. And of course, ride down here. So let's cut that one off. Yeah, that was a big one. Just need to get a little bit more right here. There we go. So, something I wanted to tell you guys too is the whole time that I've been doing this, I've got the engine just idling on this right now because it has two 12-volt accessory deals where you can plug in your phone and stuff. So right now I'm charging up my drone, but when you turn the key on is the only way you get power. There's no power off. So, and this thing has an alternator on it too. Fan kicks in good, so that alternator keeps the battery charged while it's also charging my drone, which I think is pretty cool. It's always nice to have that tailgate. Comes in handy. That's what a utility vehicle's for, right?
I want to tell you guys about today's sponsor, Podium Designs in Southern California. One of the best ways to advertise your business is by wrapping your vehicle, whether it's a partial or a full wrap. Let's say you have an idea of what you want, but you're not sure how to make it a reality. Podium Designs will work with you from start to finish, making sure your design is exactly what you want. With state-of-the-art printers and laminators, your graphics are guaranteed to turn out crystal clear. Add a QR code to your wrap, and when people see it, all they have to do is click it, and it will take them right to your website. Get 20% off when you mention Outdoor Madness TV. Podium Design's phone number and website are in the description down below. You want full delight? Then wrap it right. No job is too big or small. Podium Designs does it all.
All right, so we got those branches down, and now you can see I've got a nice clear area to come into now, because this is one of the regular trails that I do. It's really nice. But normally, you know, especially with these mules, because the cage is so tall on them, when you come through here, man, it's just scraping the branches like crazy. And I've always wanted to cut these things off. So what better time to do it, right? Than to load up my pole saw in the back, come on down here and cut them. So now you can see I've got a nice clear entry in here. And then we're gonna cut down right here. We're gonna put that engine braking to the test again right here. That's pretty steep, very steep. But yeah, normally, like I say, we come this way. Well, we go both ways, in and out. And now that I got those branches cut, that's good. Come through here and don't have to worry about scraping this stuff up. So this thing, you guys, has been idling right now for probably about 45 minutes. While I was doing all that, the reason I did that, you can see this one has two 12-volt accessory plugs there, but you have to have the key on in order to charge like your phone or whatever. So I've just left it running, and it's charging up my drone at the same time, but the thing hasn't overheated or nothing. Fan kicks on at a good time, everything's good. That's what I like. That's Kawasaki reliability. That's what I love. All right, let's see how this engine braking does. Well, I've got my foot on the brake right now because this is just so steep, so I'm not even trusting just the engine braking on this right now. It's just too steep. That's such a steep hill. I'm like, you know what? I'm not going to take a chance. All right. Let's see if we can make it through here. Try to get lined up really good. Woo-wee! See that, you guys? So I was cutting up here a little bit so we can clear this. I'm going to pull over a little bit more. Let's see what we do here. Might not be able to make this. Yeah, that's pretty sketchy right there. I don't want to hit that tree. Let's try it a little bit further. Looks like we're doing pretty good. Let's pop it into neutral. Let's leave it in, yeah, let's leave it in low. Put on the brake here for a minute. Let's take a look and see what we got. That's pretty crazy right there. So you see, I can clear the tree, but we want to make sure we don't roll it or get stuck. I don't have a winch on this either. I think we'll be all right. That's tight. That was pretty tight, pretty sketchy there, you guys. But you can see the mule made it right through there. With the width and the length of this thing, it's pretty sketchy, but I mean, for a utility vehicle, pretty good. Made it right through. Over this way. Whoa, I don't know. Almost got it. Woo, we just barely touched it. So I'm gonna cut back over this way and drop down. See if we scrape. Oh, no scraping yet. Woo! That's pretty crazy. It is tight in here. All right, let's back them up. You see back there, we don't want to hit the back of that. We should be able to pull right up here. We got to watch this branch too. We did it, you guys. We made it. That trail's getting hairier and hairier. More people, you know, we get a lot of dirt bikes down here, and we get a lot of mountain bikes. But with the dirt bikes, when they go around there, they're taking that off camber and spreading it out, you know, because they go through there and they just kind of throw that berm out. But when you're coming in through here on a four-wheeler, of course, then it's going to make it more like this. So you got to really watch it so you don't tip. But this thing did pretty good. Made it. This is one of those branches I need to cut down. right here, because we're going to scrape pretty good on this one. Well, there you have it, guys. Kawasaki Mule Pro FX 1000. Work or play, it does it all. In fact, I'm playing a little bit too much with this mule. I got to get back to work. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'm Kerry Clark for Outdoor Madness. Don't forget to give us the thumbs up and subscribe, and you know the story. I'll see you somewhere in the great outdoors.